Where's our carrot? We just got it.
The other one, there's nothing.
Say hello to the carrot. Beautiful carrot. Don't pet it, Kendall. You're putting it under stress. Observe. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm uber excited. Today we're burying Fred.
We decided it was time to let him go.
He has burn marks. Say your final goodbyes to him.
And a gouge in his back.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Fred. We love you.
Let's start the burial.
Paper.
Would you like to put him in?
Frank, we all love you. It's time to let you go. Oh wait, you're not using the top.
Hurry up.
There you go. This is very
His face,
depressing.
his expression is always surprised. It looks so
My
sad.
house, it's going to destroy me. It's going to haunt me.
He's going to haunt you. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to say a few words.
A moment of silence.
Moment of silence. Right. You are a very delicious carrot. That is why the bottom of you is gnawing off. Da da da. You are beautiful, Fred, and we appreciate your bravery for going into that microwave.
This is what we're doing. We're trying to find Fred because,
See what he looks like.
we need to find out what he looks like, and we can't find him anywhere.
It's about a week after.
Yeah, it is a week after.
It's exactly a week after.
It's exactly a week after we buried Fred, and we're worried about him, and we want to know what he looks like. So, yeah, we're gonna find him. We have faith. He didn't disappear. We have faith. We have faith. We have faith.
Fred!
Another one. What do you think about this?
If you think I'm crazy, I'm not.
Same with me. We're pretty much lost without him. We're letting you go for now,
We'll have updates later.
but we'll have updates later on. Goodbye, and pray for us.